As a specialist, we are very reliant on the quality of the information sent to us, and at the moment it's often in a faxed referral from the general practitioner, who may not even be that patient's usual general practitioner. So often information is missing, or if it's there, it's hard to interpret and hard to integrate into our own systems.
Specialists do face a number of challenges when we try to bring together information about patients we might first see. A lot of those patients are complex patients that have had long medical histories and have had multiple experiences already with the healthcare system. Many of them are chronic disease patients and therefore have been unwell and I suppose understandably would like us to rapidly get up to speed with respect to their health and medical history. It's a challenge.
So the challenges that face us when we're trying to pull together information, a lot of health information from different sources for our patients, is I think the fragmented approach and introduction of digital health into patient care. There is a smorgasbord of options, and everyone is using perhaps something different that they prefer. So interoperability is a massive issue for us. I think perhaps one of the biggest challenges is the wide use of email and that adoption of email as a preferred method of communication when we were kind of all waiting for interoperability to happen. And so unwinding that, I think, is going to be a very big challenge for practices because it's so entrenched in the way that they do things now.
What are the challenges we face with information? Gathering that information, it's huge. Information sits in so many different places. The second half of it is when I actually, produce a letter or something like that, I don't have a good understanding of where the information I produce often goes. So it's not only collecting the information for myself, but what happens with my information when I want to send it to someone. Does it end up at the end of a fax machine that's actually turned off and never gets used? Or does it actually go out there for further use? Not only for the person I direct it to, such as the GP, but can it be used for further patient care down the line? And that's where it's really valuable.
Currently, we struggle with multiple specialists and sometimes multiple GPs looking after the same patient, and getting visibility of what other medical professionals are prescribing for the patient that's in front of you is really challenging. A digital health platform offers the opportunity for all of us to be seeing the same list of medications for that individual, and particularly watching out for adverse interactions that may be occurring, or sometimes, as I've recently experienced, often realising that the patient's actually on two versions of the same drug that they're not able to recognise are actually the same pharmaceutical compound.